A game.
My fridge is full now.
But I'm still hungry.
Wait, not so fast. What is Lucas eating? Tell me. What is Lucas eating? Lucas, what is it?
This is a bread.
That's right, a bread. And what about this? What is Lucas eating? Lucas?
Bread and butter.
That's right. And what about this? What is Lucas eating? Lucas?
This is a ham.
That's right.
I'm still hungry. Come on.
Okay. Lucas. What is it? What is it?
This is a mustard.
That's right. And what about this? What is Lucas eating?
This is a sausage.
That's right. And how about now? Bite. What is it?
This is a roll.
Absolutely right. And what is this?
Okay.
Lucas, what is it?
This is a lemon.
Still hungry?
I'm still hungry.
Okay. What about this? What is Lucas eating? Lucas, what is it?
Chocolate.
That's right. Lucas. What is it? What is Lucas drinking? Lucas?
Juice.
Yeah. And what kind of juice?
I don't know. Orange?
No. This was an apricot juice. Lucas, what is it? Bite. What is Lucas eating? Lucas?
Tomato?
Yes. Tomato. Lucas. What is it? Lucas, what is it? What is it?
Pepper?
Yes, this was pepper. And how about this? What is it?
This is a cheese.
That's right, a cheese. And how about this? What is Lucas drinking? Lucas?
Water.
Yeah, mineral water. Good job. Lucas. And what is this? What is it?
I don't know.
A yogurt. Still hungry?
No.
Okay. He is not hungry. Lucas, what is it? What is Lucas drinking? Lucas?
A beer?
That's right. A beer. And how about this? What is Lucas drinking? Lucas?
Milk.
That's right. This was milk. Still hungry?
No, absolutely not.
Okay. The last. The last one. Lucas. What is it? What is Lucas eating?
Egg?
Yeah, an egg. Lucas, are you still hungry? Okay, you see, you are not hungry and my fridge is still full. We can close the fridge now.